The Threadripper 2 is coming. We'll be talking about that today on this episode of JoeteckTips. Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today we're going to be doing some tech news. I haven't done tech news in a long freaking time. I apologize. I've been so busy, as you know. You've seen a lot of these really crazy videos getting popped out. If you see it and you say something, you got a $50 Amazon gift card. We're going to be talking about the Zen 1950X. As you know, I own one. I own the Threadripper 1950X. It's a beast of a CPU. It seems that AMD has come out with a second generation of this beast of a CPU. They have doubled the amount of cores. So back in the 1950X, you had 4 physical dies on there, of which only 2 were in use. Now they're going to use all 4. Very similar to the EPYC CPU. However, the EPYC and the Threadripper 2 are going to be slightly different in terms of the memory channels. There's only 2 memory channels on the Threadripper 2, and the EPYC is a quad channel, 4 channels, okay? So that'll be the major difference between the 2 CPUs. However, they're all going to have the same amount of cores and threads. However, the memory channel is different. The only downside I see right now, and it makes perfect sense, it's very difficult to actually match the current. It seems like these manufacturers, this is just me, but maybe everybody else notices, because those Easter eggs can be anywhere, is that we just can't get past 4 gigahertz or 4.7, 4.8 gigahertz. We can't go beyond that. Seems like it's too much thermal problems we can't cool anything off. The Threadripper 1 1950X has a base frequency of 3.4 gigahertz and a turbo frequency of 4 gigahertz. That's pretty cool. But the Threadripper 2 base frequency is only 3 gigahertz. Ugh. And the turbo is 3.4. I'm hoping that the cache going from 32 meg to 64 meg can actually make up the difference in clock frequency. Because believe it or not, 400 megahertz drop is huge. Because I know going overclocking from 3.4 to 3.8 on the 1950X made a world of difference. So since it's slower, doubling the cache could offset the frequency. So however, the only other thing is that it was going from a 180 watt CPU, which is substantial, to a 250 watt CPU for the Threadripper 2. So you are doubling the amount of cores, but you're not doubling the amount of wattage. So, 180 times 2 is 360, and they're able to get the TDP down to 250. So that's impressive. So they did make some changes. So anyway, that's tech news from JoeteckTips. I feel that this could be a very, 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 very good CPU, and someone's texting the crap out of me, so I apologize. I should have muted my phone. Anyway, guys, again, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time. And the phone rings. For the future, my videos are going to have Easter eggs in them, okay? Like throughout the video. And if you could tell me what those Easter eggs are throughout the videos in the future, I will give you a $50 Amazon gift card. But you need to comment below, because you guys rock. I can't believe how fast I'm growing. I'm so happy. You guys are awesome. I love each and every one of you. No, I'm dead serious when I say that. I love each and every one of you, because without you, I won't be this. So that's huge, and I don't think anybody's ever even acknowledged that. You guys make me what I am today, and I thank you 100%. And my thank you to you is I'm going to give you, whoever can come up and figure out. You have to watch my entire video, because you don't know what's going to happen. So you need to watch the entire thing, because those Easter eggs can be anywhere. So you never know. So if you see it and you say something, you got a $50 Amazon gift card. Anyway, guys, again, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.